How to change your Gmail email address. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. So just a disclaimer that what we're going to do is not exactly changing the Gmail email address because it's not technically possible. But we're going to do a turnaround in order to do that. So we're not changing the Google email address, but we're gonna create another one and then use it as a forwarding email. So let's start and go to gmail.com. Let's say this is your Gmail and this is your original email address that you want to change. You're gonna click another one from here, click on add another account, and then click on create account and choose for my personal use, and then create your Google account from here. And when you create the new account, take the new email address, whatever it was, and then copy it and go here to the settings icon in the original inbox and click on see all settings, and then go to forwarding and POP or IMAP and choose add a forwarding address and type here the new email address that you just created. You also need to do the same steps with the other email address settings. So when you do that, and what's gonna happen is that when you finish that, any email that's sent to this email address, it's gonna be sent and forwarded to the other email address and vice versa if you added this email as a forwarding address. Hope it's clear and hope this turnaround helps anyone. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.